Hello, my dear student. Welcome to this class. This is chapter The Age of Industrialization. So today's topic is factories come up. In this topic, today we are going to discuss about the factories which came in India at the time of British period. When India was known by the name of British India, at that time, which kind of factories came up in India. So in the North India, the Elgin mill was started in Kanpur in 1860, and the first cotton mill is established at Ahmedabad in 1861. Moving ahead, there were some other cotton mills or jute mills were established in other part of the India. Likewise, in 1854 the first cotton mill in Bombay came up, and in 1855 first jute mill in Bengal came up, and in 1862 four cotton mills were established. 1862 another jute mill also came up, and I told you about the north at the region of North India. There were the two mill started in 1860 and 1861 in Kanpur and Ahmedabad, and at last in 1874 the first spinning and weaving mill of Madras began started production and industrialization. So in here we are going to discuss about some famous entrepreneur who were the present at that time, at the time of British India. There was the first one is Dwarkanath Tagore. Dwarkanath Tagore, he was involved in China trade. He set up 6 joint stocks companies in the 1830s to 1840, and he invested his ship buildings, mining, bankings, plantations and insurance. Then there were one Percy's, he was known as Deensha Patit. He built huge industrial empire in India. He was involved in China trade and raw cotton shipments to England. Next, Jamshedji Nusarwanji Tata. He was also involved in China trade and raw cotton shipments to England, and in 1912 he set up the first iron and steel work in India at Jamshedpur, right? And the next one is the last famous entrepreneur was Seth Hukumchand. He was the Marwari businessman, and he was set up the first Indian jute mill in Calcutta in 1917. Moving ahead, here is the picture. This one is Dwarkanath Tagore, second Deensha Patit, Jamshedji Nusarwanji Tata, and the last one is Seth Hukumchand. Here, look this slide. So when industrialization came in India, most of factories were established in British India. So we think about the workers. Where did the workers come from for the industrialist or for the industry? So in here, in the most industrial region, workers come from the district around, and industrialists usually employed a jobber to get new recruit. So first we know about the jobbers. Who were the jobbers? The jobbers was a person with some authority, and he used to help the industrialist to get workers. So their functions, the function of the jobbers were: he got people from his village, he ensured them jobs, he helped the workers to settle in the cities, and he also provided money in times of crisis. So that's all for today, and today's homework is page number 121. The next subtopic is the peculiarity of industrial growth. Please read it. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.